If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's episode is Affirmations for Fertility. Thank you to everyone who has requested this episode, including a couple of you who wrote in saying, I see you have so many episodes. I think you're missing one on fertility. I recognize that you're very likely here because you are TTC, trying to conceive, but your journey to this point has been so unique. For some, you may be new to this journey, and for others, this may already have been a long emotional roller coaster ride, including waves and expectations of pressure involved on your journey. And now here's Affirmations for Fertility. I notice how my body feels right now. I own my feelings. I own the thoughts that go through my head. I own my experiences and my choices. I now let it rest, and I am present in this moment. Here I am. I am safe, and I am relaxed. Today I choose to conceive. I am with my body in this process. I am grounded and rooted in who I am. I listen for what my body needs. And all the parts of my body are working together to conceive. I am fertile. I live in a fertile body that is prepared to conceive. I am fertile. I have a body that is ready to conceive. I am fertile. I am living in a body that is welcoming conception. I have everything that's needed to become pregnant. I'm making space in my life for pregnancy. Pregnancy comes to me easily and naturally. My body is able to conceive a healthy baby. My body is a warm, safe environment for a baby to mature. My baby and I embrace the love that is here. I acknowledge and release what I need to as I move forward and embrace what I need to. My uterus is primed and ready to grow a baby. My womb is welcoming the process of pregnancy. My heart is sharing its love for this new life. I am full of life-giving energy. All the parts of my body are working together for a healthy, happy, and safe pregnancy. I am safe, connected, and protected on this entire journey. I am working with my body to create new life. I am safe and I am relaxed. All the parts of my body are working together to conceive. I embrace the love that is here. And all the parts of my body are working together for a healthy, happy, and safe pregnancy.